In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use creative requests in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a creative requests board from a template and tailor it to your team's process. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. The interface may look slightly different depending on your plan and permissions, but the core navigation is the same. From the left side menu, head to Workspaces. Workspaces help you keep related boards and projects organized, so choose the one where you want your creative requests board to live. If you collaborate across departments, pick a workspace that everyone who submits or manages requests can access. Inside the workspace, look for the plus icon to add something new. Hover over board so you can choose how to create it. Instead of starting from scratch, select Start with Template. Templates save time and give you a best practice structure that you can refine rather than build manually. This opens the Template Center. You can browse all templates or narrow down to general options. The fastest way is to use the search bar. Type creative requests. You should see the creative requests template appear, designed specifically to centralize intake, standardize details, and streamline assignment and tracking for design, video, copy, and other creative work. Click the creative requests template to open its details page. Here you can preview what's included, such as statuses, assignees, due dates, and common fields creative teams rely on. When you're ready, click Use Template. If prompted, confirm the workspace and the location for the new board. Monday.com will create the board with the default structure and any views included in the template. Now you're on the new board and can make your edits here. Start by renaming the board to something your team recognizes. Review the columns. You'll typically see request name, requester, priority, due date, status, and owner. Adjust column types to match your workflow, add options for priority and status that reflect your stages, and remove anything you don't need to keep the form simple. Reorder columns so the most important details are front and center. Consider creating groups like new, in progress, and completed to make visual scanning easier. Assign default owners for triage, define color-coded statuses that are intuitive, and set sensible due date expectations. Many versions of this template include a form view. Use it to collect requests consistently and reduce back and forth. You can also tweak automations and notifications so the right people are alerted when a request is submitted or status changes, helping work move without manual nudges. That's it. You've opened Monday.com, navigated to your workspace, created a board from the creative requests template, and customized it to fit your process. Save your changes, share the board with your team, and start accepting requests with clarity and confidence.